Okay, today we're going to use some stretch cord and these beads. This is one of the strings I got the other day. And we're going to try to make a stretchy bracelet. If you remember the last time I had stretch cord, it disintegrated in my hands. I'm just going to cut a good sized piece here. And you're supposed to just kind of pre-stretch it. I don't even think you can see that I've got cord in my hand, but I do. Oh, you see? And I'm going to put a bead stopper, this little gizmo, on one end to keep the beads from falling off. And then I'm just going to string these along. Now, you really should probably use a double strand, but I don't think a double strand would go through some of these beads. And I haven't even looked in advance to see where the hole is in these things. But I bet it's a glasses one. Let me see. Now this is 0.5, which really should be doubled. But seeing as I'm trying this for the first time in a while, we'll go with it as it is. There's a lot of little beads here. So you have to kind of roll them around in order to find the hole. And it has some pretty blue bicones. These are nice. It's like a lampwork bead, the big ones. And these don't take a long time to make once you've got them strung. And now this, I think, is going to be about 6.5 inches. And I'm going to measure it before I tie it. And you can see here, because I have a few more beads from my stash that I can add to it if it's not quite long enough. Boy, it's kind of tough to find the hole in this lampwork bead because of all the little nubbies. And I'll do one more set here, and then I'll string them off camera. Oh. And of course, when you have nails, that doesn't help either. Although I did have my nails done yesterday, so I had them cut down a bit. Because when I was working last week, I kept losing the bead under my nail. Boy, that's a little one. See if I can go in this way. Yeah. is a hole, I know it. Oh, I see it. Okay, you can see here. It's going to be pretty, isn't it? All right, I'm going to continue doing this off the camera, so you don't have to watch me try to string these little teeny beads. So I'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay, they're on the string. That took me about almost 10 minutes to string those. They were very hard to do, those little teeny ones. So now I'm going to take that bead cap off, and we're going to start tying knots. And I'm going to start with just a knot left over right, and I'll put this under and tie us in a nice little knot. And then I'm going to do right over left, under, pull. And we're going to do that again. Left over right. Right over left. Whoops. Right. And I'm going to do this about 5 times. That was 2. Three. 4. 5. Now I'm going to do 2 surgeon's knots, and that is you go around and then you go around again. And 1 more. Round and round again. And you can see the knots in there. I don't know if you can see them. They go up the string. They don't go on top of each other. They And you just roll it on nicely. There you go. Now I've got to look in my drawer and see if I have any of my jewelry glue. I know I had some, but it may be all dried up by this point in time. But it's a very lightweight bracelet, very pretty and sparkly. And actually, the bracelet itself takes very little time to make. It just takes time to thread the beads depending on how small they are. And if I had a bead threader needle, it would have been a lot easier. But very honestly, it was hard to find the hole. So anyway, I'll have to get some magnifying glasses. But that's pretty, isn't that pretty, huh? Now I did add some extra beads right in here because it seemed like it was a little too tight, and this is just perfect. Okay, there's Friday Jewelry Day, and I don't unfortunately have any extras to make earrings to go with it, but I could probably make some bicone earrings. But it's not necessary to have earrings with every bracelet. All right, great. I'll see you Sunday for Cook With Me. We're going to do using some garden vegetables this Sunday, because they're all coming in now, and we have lots of them. So I will see you Sunday for Cook With Me. Everybody have a great afternoon, evening, morning, night, whatever it is for you. And try beading. Try making an elastic bracelet. How nice, how cute. So we're getting quite prolific here with earrings and bracelets and necklaces. What'll we do next week? Anybody have a suggestion of what they'd like to see? I think I'd like to do a little bit more with a regular bracelet and earrings to match. And I'm looking at these beads here. These are really kind of pretty. And I'm not sure I use these little spaces in between. I might use something different. Maybe some bead caps. Okay, but I'll see you next week on Friday for next Jewelry Day, and I'll see you on Sunday for cooking. Until then, everybody play nice now. Love ya. Bye-bye.